is SMH, the semis ETF, best day since June, up 10 of 11 days. You guys know about that. Software's big in the news today. CrowdStrike gets a number of target hikes after its investor day. So there's a cyber, speaking of IPO, Netscope pricing at 19. I think that stock has actually opened for trade already up at the NASDAQ, so we can maybe get a look at that as we do the segue to Malcolm before we wrap up our A block today. You bought Oracle. You bought it about 9 days ago, right ahead of the earnings, I think. So you took advantage of the big bump, and there's Netscope right there. So it is open for business. But tell me more about buying Oracle and what you think.
Yeah, so plainly and simply, well, two things. I bought Oracle ahead of earnings with the expectation that the positive momentum they had coming out of last quarter, and we would get a little bit more information about the quote-unquote mysterious $30 billion deal they had done was going to push share price maybe 5–10%. I had no clue that it would be the bump that it was. But I'm also looking at Oracle right now and wondering if maybe all of the good news that's hitting the tape right now isn't a good place for long-term Oracle shareholders to start taking some profits, because we've basically gotten years of growth out of this stock in a weekend. And so I think it might be a place to start looking at that exit ramp if you have been in that name for quite a while and are curious where your exit point might be.